Do you ever wonder why some guys just seem to get uglier with age? It's not just bad luck, my friend. Most of the time it's the little habits you're too lazy to notice. But don't worry, I'm about to expose the 10 sneaky ways you're ruining your appearance. Stop being blind to what's making you look worse every day. By the end of this video, you'll either thank me or cry in the mirror. Let's get down to business. Number 1, the sugar face epidemic. Let's talk about the silent killer of your looks, sugar. Yeah, sugar might taste like heaven, but it's slowly turning your face into a dumpster fire. Ever heard of sugar face? It's real, and it's nasty. Excess sugar wrecks your skin by triggering inflammation and breaking down collagen, the protein that keeps your face tight and youthful. What does that mean for you? Saggy skin, fine lines, and that dull, puffy look that screams, "I don't take care of myself." But it doesn't stop there. Sugar spikes your insulin, which messes with your hormones, leading to acne outbreaks. You might think it's just a few donuts or a soda, but every sugary snack is a step closer to looking like you're permanently tired and bloated. Want to fix it? Cut the processed junk. Stop with your drippy cheese and prime running through your veins. Stick to whole foods and watch your face transform. Trust me, nothing kills your vibe faster than a sugar addiction. Ditch it before it ditches your looks. Number 2, sleep deprivation. You think skipping sleep is a flex? Stop listening to broke entrepreneurs that are trying to sell you their courses and telling you to skip sleep. It's literally wrecking your face, bro. Sleep deprivation doesn't just make you tired, it makes you ugly. When you don't get enough shut-eye, your body goes into stress mode. That means pumping out cortisol, a hormone that eats away at your collagen and leaves your skin saggy, dull, and prone to wrinkles. And those dark circles? That's your blood vessels crying out for help. Puffy eyes, sunken cheeks, and a ghostly complexion aren't exactly screaming high-value man, are they? Lack of sleep also messes with your skin's repair process. At night, your body's supposed to heal. But if you're up scrolling TikTok or gaming, your skin is basically waving the white flag. Want to fix it? Make sleep a priority, not an afterthought. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality rest. Dark room, no screens, an hour before bed, and maybe some magnesium to chill you out. Sleep isn't just for survival. It's the foundation of looking sharp and alive. Keep skipping it, and you'll wake up one day looking 10 years older than you should. Don't let that be you. Number 3, chronic stress. Chronic stress floods your body with cortisol, and while a little is fine in emergencies, too much is like poison for your appearance. First, it breaks down collagen and elastin, those magic ingredients that keep your skin firm and youthful. Without them, say hello to wrinkles, sagging, and that permanently tired look, but that's not all. Stress also messes up your hormones, leading to acne, inflammation, and even hair loss. Ever seen someone who looks like life has beaten them up? That's chronic stress in action. It doesn't just age you, it makes you look defeated. So, what's the fix? Start controlling your stress before it controls you. Hit the gym, meditate, journal, whatever helps you calm the chaos. Cut out toxic people. Stop overloading your plate and get serious about self-care. Stress might be inevitable, but how you handle it makes the whole difference. Number 4, smartphone slouch. Let's do an experiment. Pull out your phone and look at it like you normally would. Notice something? You're probably hunched over like a caveman inspecting fire. That's the smartphone slouch, and it's silently wrecking your face and your posture. Here's the deal. Every time you crane your neck down, you're adding unnecessary pressure to your spine and jawline. Over time, this not only gives you tech neck wrinkles, but also weakens your muscles, making your jawline look softer and less defined. Think about it. The difference between sharp and slouch isn't just posture, it's how people perceive you. Slouching makes you look smaller, less confident, and yes, even less attractive. So how do you fix this? Easy. Raise your phone to eye level. It might feel awkward at first, but your spine and your face will thank you. Build some neck and back strength with exercises like face pulls or chin tucks. And remind yourself, every time you slouch, you're sending a message to the world, and it's not a good one. Stand tall, walk like you own the place, and let your posture speak louder than words. Number 5, corn. First off, excessive porn consumption drains your energy and confidence. It's like a slow leak in your masculinity. You're training your brain to get dopamine hits from a screen instead of real-world interaction, which kills your drive. And trust me, nothing is uglier than a man who looks drained, passive, and checked out. Second, it disrupts your sleep, spikes stress, and messes with your hormones, all of which show up on your face. Dark circles, a dull complexion, even thinning hair. Porn's fingerprints are everywhere. Plus, the lack of motivation spills into how you take care of yourself. Sloppy grooming, poor hygiene, yeah, it all adds up. The solution? Cut it out. Redirect that energy into something real. Hit the gym. Focus on your goals, or actually talk to someone. Don't self-pity yourself when you relapse. Get over it and try again. Breaking a porn addiction is a marathon and not a sprint. Number 6. Dehydration. If you're walking around chugging energy drinks and coffee, but can't remember the last time you drank plain old water, you're setting yourself up for disaster. When your body's dehydrated, your skin is the first to suffer. Think dry, flaky, and dull, like a raisin pretending to be a grape. Fine lines and wrinkles, they show up faster because your skin loses its elasticity. Oh, and don't forget the breakouts. Dehydrated skin produces more oil to compensate, and that's a recipe for acne city. But it doesn't stop at your skin. Dehydration messes with your energy, making you look tired and sluggish. Puffy eyes, pale complexion, and that I don't care vibe. It's all connected. Fixing this is simple but requires consistency. Start drinking water like it's your job. Aim for at least 2 to 3 liters a day. Add some electrolytes if you're active. Number 7. Alcohol and smoking. Let me paint you a picture. A guy at the bar, drink in one hand, cigarette in the other. He's laughing now, but fast forward 10 years, and he looks like a worn-out leather bag. That's the reality of alcohol and smoking. They're accelerators for ugliness. Pause the video to see all the side effects. Cut the smoking completely and keep alcohol as an occasional thing, if at all. No amount of cologne or styling can cover up the damage you're doing to yourself. Play smart or pay the price. Number 8. Weak masculine energy. Society's been pushing men to tone it down, soften up, and embrace their feminine side. And what's that done for you? Oh yeah, landed you square in the friend zone, where you'll stay, looking like a confused puppy, wondering why nice guys finish last. Weak masculine energy doesn't just hurt your chances with women, it makes you look physically unattractive. Posture hunched, voice uncertain, movements timid. People can see when a man lacks confidence. And when you're constantly playing it safe, saying what you think others want to hear, you're radiating passivity. That energy, it bleeds into your appearance, making you seem smaller, less defined, and forgettable. Women don't want a doormat. Men don't respect one either. So, reclaim your edge. Lift heavy, take risks, speak your truth without flinching. Stop apologizing for existing. Masculinity is about presence, commanding the space you're in. Number 9. Sun damage. You think a little sun makes you look healthy? Sure, until it doesn't, and then it makes you look fried. Sun damage is like a time bomb for your skin. The fix? It's stupidly easy. Use a high SPF sunscreen daily, even when it's cloudy. Sunglasses and a hat can be your style and skin saviors. And if you love that sun-kissed look, grab a bottle of self-tanner and keep your real skin intact. Number 10. Toxic products. Here's one you probably didn't see coming. The very products you're using to clean up might be sabotaging your looks. That shampoo or body wash with the cool branding and strong fragrance, it's likely loaded with toxic junk, sulfates, parabens, and synthetic fragrances that strip your skin and hair of natural oils. Think about it. Your scalp dries out, your hair becomes brittle, and before you know it, you're dealing with dandruff or thinning hair. And your skin, constantly exposed to harsh chemicals, it gets irritated, dry, or even breaks out. What's the point of smelling like a tropical beach if you're walking around with flaky hair and a dull face? The solution? Switch to products with clean, natural ingredients. Look for shampoos free of sulfates and parabens, and stick to simple, unscented body washes that don't attack your skin barrier. Sure, they might cost a bit more, but what's worth more? A couple of bucks saved or a head of healthy hair and glowing skin? If you're ready to level up and stop settling for average, this channel's got everything you need, from confidence hacks to real talk about life, fitness, and success. So hit that subscribe button and join the movement. Don't just sit there scrolling, waiting for life to change. Take action. This is just the beginning. Together, we'll keep sharpening your edge. Let's keep the momentum going.